In today's video, I'll be walking you through a very simple strategy on how to start earning real money online with affiliate marketing. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can enroll and start earning passive income daily with affiliate marketing. So moving on to today's video, the first thing you want to do is to create a Digistore24 account. And for those who don't know how to create an account, I'm going to leave a link down in the description on how to create a fully functional Digistore24 account. So once you have your account created, you want to head over to the marketplace section, and this is where we are going to pick a product that we will be making money with in this video. So I'm going to be taking the make money online niche as an example, but feel free to work with any niche of your choice. So you want to scroll down to where it says internet marketing and e-business. So once you click on this, as you can see, there are over 100 products that you can promote from this niche alone. So as you can see, the first product is going to pay you $200 for every sale you bring to this product. So we are going to be taking this product here as an example, and I'm going to show you how I do this strategy. So you want to head over to docs.google.com and you want to create a very simple content like this. As you can see right here, how to make money online in 2023. There are varieties of ways you can make money online. Continue reading this document to discover 5 ways to make money online. As you can see, the first one I listed right here, freelancing. You can see I added an image just to increase the engagement on this page and to make people reading for as long as possible. Okay, so as you can see, after they read the first way to make money online, if you scroll down, you can see I added a call to action right here. Learn how this guy makes 6 figures online. As you can see, I also added an image of the guy right here. And also, if they click on this link, it's going to take them to this product. Okay, and once they purchase this product, I make $200. It's that simple. All right, so now if I keep scrolling down, you can see the second method right here, YouTube. You can see the third one, drop shipping. You can see we have taking online surveys, and the last one, creating a website. You can see this is a very simple content that people can consume in less than 5 minutes. All right, so you don't want to bore people. You want to keep it short and straight to the point. So it's very simple to do. All you need to do is to just go over to ChatGPT and you can type in write 10 ways to make money online. So you can write more than 10. You can write any figure you want. It's up to you. But I like to keep mine short, simple, and straight to the point. All right, you can see we have freelancing right here, online tutoring. You can see e-commerce, affiliate marketing. So once you get the content from ChatGPT, all you need to do is to come over to pexels.com and you can grab free images that you can use without having any copyright issues. All right, so now once you do that, all you need to do is to go back to this product right here. And you want to make sure to click on the affiliate support page. So once you click on the affiliate support page, you want to scroll down to where it says branding images. So most affiliate resource page are going to provide you with images that you can use to promote their products. So as you can see, this guy has provided us with images that we can use to promote his product. As you can see, there are so many images right here. And now you can see this is the exact image I used. As you can see this one right here. All you just need to do is to click on these 3 dots and you'll be able to download this image to your device. So once you download the image, all you need to do is to just upload the image right here, and you want to type in a very captivating call to action, and you want to add some emojis right here so that you want people to see this call to action as fast as possible. All right, so once you do that, all you need to do is to just highlight this and you want to click on where it says insert link. So once you click on that, this is where you want to paste your Digistore24 link. And if you don't know how to get your link, all you need to do is to click on the promote now button. So once you click on that, you'll be able to grab your affiliate link, as you can see right here. Okay, so once you grab your affiliate link, you want to make sure to include the link right here and you want to click on apply. So now the final step is driving traffic and making money. So you want to head over to this website called academia.edu. As you can see, this website has a lot of PDF files that people are currently looking to download every single day. As you can see, over 47 million PDF files for download for absolutely free as well. So once you come over to this website, you want to create an account. You're going to see a sign up button. So once you create your account, everything is going to look like this. You can come over here to upload a profile photo so as to make your profile look more legit. All right. And also you want to add a real human being name right here. Okay, it doesn't have to be your name. You can just write any random name. Okay, so once you do that, now I'm going to show you how powerful this platform is. So if you come over to the search section, and if I type in keyword like make money online, so if I search for this keyword on this platform, you can see over 1 million content on this alone. So if I keep scrolling down, you are going to see there are a lot of people who have made a lot of content on this niche. And you can see right here, 2023 right here, people are constantly looking for this niche. And if I come over to this person page, you can see over 7,000 views. That tells you there's a lot of traffic on this platform, and all people need to do is to click on the download button, and they will be able to download the content to their device for free. All right, so I'm going to show you another example. If I come over to the search section, and if I type in affiliate marketing as an example, so if I type that in the search section, and if I scroll down, you're going to see there are a lot of content on affiliate marketing as well. You can see right here over 52,000. So basically this tells you there's a lot of traffic on this platform and people are interested in this keyword. So what you want to do from here is to go back to this page, and all you need to do is to come over to where it says file, and you want to click on the download section, and you want to make sure to download it as PDF document. So once the download is completed, all you need to do is to go back to your account. And once you come back to your account, you want to go over to where it says upload. So once you come over here, all you need to do is to upload the document you just downloaded. So once people download it, this is what they are going to see on their device. All right, so while they are reading it, they are going to see this call to action, and if they click on it, they head over to the landing page, and if they purchase the product, we make money. So if you get 100 people downloading this content every day, and just 2 people decide to purchase this product, you'll be making at least $400 a day for just people downloading this product. And keep in mind, you don't have to use only this product. As you can see, there are other product on Digistore24. You can use cheaper products if you want to do that. You can see this one costs only $30. All right, so you can keep scrolling down and you can find even cheaper products to promote. So like I said, it's up to you. You can choose any product of your choice, but make sure whatever product you are choosing has a very good rating. As you can see, this one has a 4 out of 5 star rating, which means this product is getting a lot of sales and is popular among affiliates. And if it's popular among affiliates, it means they are making money promoting that product. So you want to make sure to put all these factors into consideration when picking a product to promote. So you want to upload the file you just downloaded right here. Okay, as you can see, this is the title of the file right here. Okay, but make sure before you download the file from Google Docs, you want to make sure to change the name right here. Okay, it's very important. I forgot to do that, but in your own case, you want to make sure to change the name. All right, so once you upload it, all you need to do is to click on this I'm not a robot. So once you do that, all you need to do is to click on continue. All right, and you want to make sure to click on published work. So once you do that, as you can see, it's going to show you upload complete. So this is how simple it is to take advantage of this platform, and you can upload as many documents as you like. Another platform to use to get even more traffic is pdfdrive.com, and you want to repeat the same strategy. Join this platform by clicking on this sign in to create an account, and you want to repeat the same process by uploading the content on this platform. This platform gets millions of downloads every single day. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value at all in this video, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.